Hello guys, Shrish here. So in this video, we are going to be talking about pre-built PCs. Now, I have used both a PC that I made by myself and a PC that I bought pre-built from a website. Now, I bought my pre-built PC from Make My Rig. For those who don't know, it's a venture by Jay Kapoor. So I bought it and I have been using this pre-built PC for literally 7 to 8 months or more than that now. And I'll just share my experience with their after-sales service and everything in general and the idea about pre-built PCs. So firstly, number one reason why people don't prefer buying a pre-built PC is because they think that there is a lot of labor cost involved, and obviously labor cost is involved in a pre-built PC. But the only reason why people don't buy a pre-built PC is because they think that the pre-built PCs are generally quite a lot expensive. But in my case, it was quite the opposite. Now, before you think I'm crazy for saying that, let me break that down for you. So personally, I don't stay in a big city like Mumbai or Delhi where I've got access to markets like Lamington Road or Nehru Place where you can get PC parts for really cheap prices. Basically, I stay in a town which is like 10 to 12 hours far from Mumbai. So it's really tough for me to go to Mumbai, buy PC parts for cheap, and then come home with an entire idea about me building a PC for actually quite a lot cheaper. Because that can't happen because I have to put some extra money into traveling as well. Now I know that this is the case with a lot of people because not everyone lives in Mumbai or Delhi. So in that case, the number one source is buying parts from online sources like Amazon or MD Computers or eBay or any other market in that case. Now actually, after looking out a lot, I found out that the cost of building your own PC, if you buy all the parts from Amazon or mdcomputers.in, is exactly the same if you buy a pre-built PC. Now you might be wondering that where is that extra cost, like labor cost kaha hai, ya courier charge kaha hai, and all of that stuff. So what I did was I spoke to Jay Kapoor, who runs Make My Rig. So here's what he had to say.
अरे वो that's Amazon is retail. We buy parts in bulk, तो हमें सस्ता पड़ जाता है.
So what he was saying is that they buy all of these parts in bulk, and that is the reason they get these parts for relatively cheaper price, and that's how these online vendors as well, they make profits. Additionally, if you buy a pre-built PC, you get a number of services like firstly on-site warranty. Secondly, you can get lifetime support. I mean, that's what at least Make My Rig is offering. I don't know about other brands. Make My Rig offers you lifetime support, lifetime free activated Windows, a genuine copy. It's not a pirated version of Windows. It's a genuine copy. So I think that all of these, advantages kind of make pre-built PC a better choice if you're someone like me who doesn't have easy access to markets like Nehru Place and Lamington Road. But again, if you're someone who lives in Delhi and you can easily access Nehru Place, or you are someone from Mumbai who can access to Lamington Road quite easily, so in that case, yeah, building your own PC might be a little bit of an easier task if you know what you're doing. Okay, that also brings me to my second point. Buying a pre-built PC is just as easy as booking a pizza. I mean, you buy or you order a PC from Make My Rig and then it gets delivered. It's already assembled. All you need to do is plug in that HDMI cable and plug in your power cable and you're done, okay? The best part is when I powered on the PC, I found my name on it and my profile was already created. That was kind of a sweet gesture I found from Make My Rig. Anyway, speaking about after sales service as well, the after sales service that I received from Make My Rig was exceptional. Also, when I got a PC from Make My Rig, I kind of messed up a little bit when I inserted my old hard drive, which already had Windows inside it, and obviously there was Windows inside this PC as well. So the system was actually conflicting, and in those scenarios, I called Make My Rig. They were kind of super helpful. They helped me out with the process. They never said that, it's your mistake because you inserted a hard drive with an existing copy of Windows, so you should just figure it out yourself. They in fact helped me out and I got it working finally. So the after sales service is something that I found really interesting. Also, I had inquired quite a lot of times regarding upgrade of this PC, and even in those circumstances as well, I found their support team extremely supportive and convenient. Then regarding the Windows as well, there are literally no issues, and obviously there are no issues with the PC. And if there is an issue, I don't have to worry about myself. I don't have to Google about several symptoms of my PC crashing and stuff. I can just WhatsApp them, or I can just contact Make My Rig's team and they will just have me covered. So that's the best part. See, if you build your own PC and if you don't really have that much amount of time on general basis to actually diagnose your PC time to time, or keep an eye on what's going on inside your PC, and if someday your PC just crashes or if it stops working, then it will take some amount of time. If you don't have that much amount of time, pre-built PCs are just the way to go. All you need to do is give them a call and they'll do their work. Okay, you don't have to even search for a dedicated service center. So overall, I do think that pre-built PCs in 2020 are a very good option to go for. You get really good service. You don't have to worry about Windows, or you don't have to get a pirated copy of Windows, which in most cases has virus or malware already inside it, and you don't have to worry about 147 other things while actually assembling your PC. All you need to do is just plug in your power cable and you're just good to go. But again, if you know what you're doing, like if you've been into PC building or you want to get that experience of PC building by yourself, and you have access to Lamington Road or Nehru Place or any other PC market as such which can give you these PC parts for really affordable rates, then building your own PC is the way to go. Now if you're worried about these pre-built PCs coming to you, firstly, they've got excellent packaging. They're literally stuffed with a lot of thermocol and foam and other stuff, so you don't have to worry about anything going wrong with your pre-built PC. If by chance something goes wrong during this time of delivery or during the time of transit, so in that case, the entire PC is insured, or the insurance of that specific pre-built PC has been done already by the company, so you don't have to worry about that as well. You also get EMI options, so just in case you don't want to spend all of your money at once, you can do that. You can opt in for easy monthly installments. And yeah, overall I feel that PC building is a good thing. It's a thing for nerds and people who have access to this huge markets like Lamington Road and Nehru Place. But if you're a general user, or even if you aren't a general user, even if you are a nerd, but if you don't have access to these markets where you can get parts for cheaper, then I think that pre-built PCs are the way to go. Now I'll leave a link to Make My Rig in the description box below. Just in case you want to check them out, you can do that. Also, as long as I remember, they do take custom builds or custom rig orders as well, so you can just call them up or WhatsApp them. They're super responsive. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. If it did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.